Hi guys, Jessie here at Animal Wonders. This is my friend Chopsticks, the Quaker Parrot. I think he's hilarious, and I wanted to share him with you. Yeah? Oh, you would love that? Good. I hope you guys love that too. Achoo! You funny bird. You're very silly too. Oh, you're so pretty too. Are you cute? You're cute. Are you a duck? I was gonna say, are you cute? But you brought up the duck. Are you a duck? Give me a kiss. There you go. Good job. Yeah, good bird. You just keep at it because I'm laughing at you. Yeah. You want a treat? Here you go. You can say thank you. What'd you hear? It's a dog. Oh, Chop Chop. That's how he got his name. That was the first thing he said when we first got him. I said, hey, you want to come on out? You want to step up? And he said, Chop Chop. I said, your name's Chopsticks. Yep, Chop Chop. You think you're so funny. You're hilarious. Yeah, you are. Yo, tell me a secret. Tell me. Tell me. You're so much better at it than I am. Yeah, you are. You're hilarious. We've got a comedian on our hands. All right, tell everyone I love you.